Hello dear students, welcome back to the online classes. Today we are going to study, we are going to solve some of the examples or the problems on functions. Now this is the 6th lecture on the topic functions. Dear students, let me solve examples from the exercise 2.3. Let me take the first question. Which of the following relations are functions? Give reasons if it is a function. Determine its domain and range. Now let me take the first question. Function is given for us. It is containing the elements like set containing the elements, the order pairs, two comma one, 5 comma 1, 8 comma 1, 11 comma 1, 14 comma 1 and 17 comma 1. There is another example containing the fly brackets 2 comma 1, 4 comma 2, 6 comma 3, 8 comma 4, 10 comma 5, 12 comma 6 and 14 comma 7. Likewise, we have the third example, a set containing, or it is a function containing the order pairs 1 comma 3, 1 comma 5 and 2 comma 5. In this case, 2, 5, 8, 11, 14 and 17 are the elements of the domain, because as we know that the first element of each order pair belongs to the first set is called domain, and the second element is called the codomain. Domain of the relation having their unique images, this relation is a function because every element of the domain or the main set having the unique image in a codomain set, and the unique image is 1. Therefore, this relation is a function. Here, the domain of the function is 2, 5, 8, 11, 14 and 17, and all these elements has a common image, that is 1. This is a function. Let me take the second example. It is a relation containing 2, 1, 4, 2, 6, 3, 8, 4, 10, 5, 12, 6 and 14, 7. Since 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and 14 are the elements of the domain, the relation, and they have the unique images in a codomain. Therefore, this relation is a function. In this case, the domain elements are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and 14. And the set of images is, that is nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now you can look at this. Relation is having their unique images. Therefore, this relation is a function. Domain of the set is containing the elements 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 and the range is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Moving to the next question. Question number 3. This is a set containing the order pairs 1, 3, 1, 5 and 2, 5. In this case, we observe that in a main set, domain set, 1 has 2 images 3 and 5 and 2 has an image 5. Since the domain has 2 images, or you can say since the same first element 1 corresponding to 2 different images, that's why this relation is not a function. If it is not a function, then we are not supposed to find the domain and range of the function is. If these are the simple examples which are expected in the examination for 1 mark. Moving to the next question. Find the domain and range of the following real functions. Dear students, we have been given two functions. One is f of x is equal to mod x. Then another function is f of x equal to root of 9 minus x square. The domain of any function is always a set of real numbers. Therefore, in these examples, f of x equal to mod x, the domain of the function is always a set of real numbers. For any value of r, the mod of any number is always a positive. If r is positive, mod of x is also positive. If r is negative, the mod of x is also positive. And if r is 0 or x is 0, it is 0. Therefore, for any values of r, it gives an image which is positive. Therefore, the domain of this function is a set of real numbers and the range of this function is set of positive real numbers. Dear students, you can look at over here. Since f of x is defined for all x, one of the function is f is r. It can be observed that the range of the function f of x is mod x is all real numbers except positive real numbers. The range of the function is infinity comma 0 or in open interval, left open interval is minus infinity comma 0 it is. That is nothing but 0 is inclusive. Moving to the next question. F of x is equal to square root of 9 minus x square. Greater than or equal to x belongs to r and less than or equal to 3, then the domain of the function f of x lies between minus 3 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 3, or you can say it is a closed interval minus 3 comma 3. Dear students, we have to solve for 9 minus x square is equal to 0. That gives 9 is equal to x square. Therefore, x square is equal to x is equal to plus or minus 3. Therefore, the values of x lies between minus 3 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 3, or we can write in the closed interval minus 3 comma 3. Therefore, in this case, we can say that the domain of the function lies between it is minus 3 and plus 3, and the range of the function is x greater than or equal to 0 less than or equal to 3, or the closed interval 0 comma 3. Dear students, moving to the next question. We have been given a function f of x which is containing 2x minus 5. We should find the values for f of 0, f of 7 and f of minus. In this case, we are going to find f of 0. Put x equal to 0 in the given function f of x. That is, f of x is equal to 2x minus 5. Therefore, f of 0 is equal to 2 into 0 minus 5. That is 0 minus 5, it gives minus 5. Similarly, we can find the value for f of 7. Put x equal to 7 in the given function f of x equal to 2x minus 5. Therefore, 2 into 7 minus 5, that is 14 minus 5 is equal to 9. Likewise, we have the another value for x which is nothing but x equal to minus 3. Therefore, f of minus 3 is equal to 2 into minus 3 minus 5, that is minus 6 minus 5 is equal to minus 11. My dear students, these questions will be expected in the examination for 1 marks. Any one of the above examples will be given to you which carries for 1 mark. Dear students, we have the one more question, fourth question. The function f, or you can say t, which maps temperature in degree Celsius into temperature in degree Fahrenheit, is defined as or defined by T of C is equal to 9C divided by 5 plus 32. then we should find t of 0, t of 28, t of minus 10. Then also we have to find the value of c when t of c is equal to 212. Let me begin with the solution of the given problem. The given function is t of c is equal to 9c divided by 5 plus 32. Therefore, we are going to calculate t of 0. Therefore, replace c as 0 in this case. Our given equation in terms of variable c. Therefore, c is replaced by 0. T of 0 is equal to 9 into 0 divided by 5 plus 32. That gives 0 plus 32, which is nothing but 32. Similarly, we can find out when c is 28. T of 28 is equal to 9 into 28 divided by 5 plus 32. Therefore, 9 into 28 is 252 plus 32 into 5 will be 160 divided by 5. That gives 412 divided by 5. Calculate t of minus 10. Replace c as minus 10 in the given curve or in the given equation. That gives 9 into minus 10 divided by 5 plus 32. Therefore, 5 ones are 5, 5 2s are 10. 9 into minus 2 will be minus 18 plus 32. That gives the value of the function as 14. Therefore, the value of t minus 10 is equal to 14. Also, it is given that t of c is equal to 212. Dear students, we have been given the value of t of c, which is equal to 212. Now we should write t of c formula is t of c is equal to, it is 9c divided by 5 plus 32. If we have to replace the t of c as 212. 212 equal to 9c divided by 5 plus 32. In this case, c is unknown. We calculate the value of c by solving this equation. Now, let me replace or let me rearrange. 9c divided by 5 remains same, which is equal to 212. 32 will bring it to the left side. That becomes 212 minus 32. Therefore, 9c divided by 5 is equal to 212 minus 32 is 180. By cross multiplication, find the 5 to the right hand side. It gives 9c is equal to 180 into 5. Therefore, c is equal to 180 into 5 divided by 9. Therefore, 9 ones are 9, 9 20s are, and 25 is 100. If c is 100, the t of c will be equals to 212. Or if t of c is equal to 212, then the c value is 100. Dear students, moving to the last question of the topic functions. Find the range of each of the following functions. My dear students, we have given the 3 different examples. We have to find the range of these functions. The domain of any function is always a set of real numbers. Consider the function f of x is equal to 2 minus 3x. The set of domain is nothing but real numbers and for all x greater than 0. Therefore, the image of this function is, which is given, f of x is equal to 2 minus 3x. Therefore, the values of f of x for various values of real numbers greater than 0 can be written in the tabular form as if x is 0.01, 0.1, 0.9, 1, 2, 2.5, 4, 5 and so on. We have the values of f of x as 1.97, 1.7, 0.7, so on it is. And thus it can be clearly observed that the range of this function of the set of all real numbers less than 2. Therefore, the range of the function is lies between minus infinity comma 2. Therefore, here we can write minus infinity 2 comma 2 is the range of the function f of x is equal to 2 minus 3x. We have the another function f of x is equal to It is x square plus 2x for all x is a real number. The values of x for various values of real numbers x can be written in the tabular form as x is 0, plus or minus 0 point, plus or minus 0.8, plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 3, and so on. We get the corresponding values of f of x by replacing x as 0 as 2. If I replace x as 0, 0 square is 0, 0 plus 2 is 2. And if I replace x as 0.3, we'll get 2.09. For x equal to 0.8, we'll get 2.64. And for x equal to plus or minus 1, we'll get x is 3. That is f of x is 3, and so on. Thus, it can be clearly observed that the range is the set of all real numbers greater than 2. Therefore, we can write it is in the closed interval. To the right side, it is open interval, that is 2 comma infinity. Therefore, the range of this given function f of x equal to x square plus 2 is 2 comma infinity. My dear students, coming to the last example of this topic, f of x is equal to x, where x is a set of real numbers. It is clear that the range of f is the set of all real numbers. Therefore, whatever the values of domain we have the range of that function as an R, because the given function is an identity function. Whatever the domain x contains, those will be the images of the f of x. Or we can write the set of real number is the range of the given function. I hope, dear students, you have understood the today's class. If you have any queries, please contact the given below number. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.